To install WordPress locally on your PC, you will need to set up a local development environment. This involves installing a web server, a database server, and PHP on your computer. The most popular software for creating a local development environment is XAMPP, which bundles Apache, MySQL, PHP, and more. Here is a step-by-step guide to install WordPress locally using XAMPP on Windows. Step 1. Download and install XAMPP. Go to the Apache Friends website and download the appropriate version of XAMPP for your operating system. Run the XAMPP installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Choose the components you want to install. It's recommended to keep the default settings. Step 2. Start Apache and MySQL. After installation, open XAMPP control panel. You can find it in the XAMPP installation directory or search for XAMPP control panel in the Start menu. Start the Apache and MySQL modules by clicking the Start button next to each of them. The modules will turn green when they are running. Step 3. Create a database. Open your web browser and go to Localhost PHP My Admin. This will open PHP My Admin, a web-based tool to manage MySQL databases. Click on Databases in the top menu and create a new database for your WordPress installation. Choose a name for your database and click Create. Step 4. Download WordPress. Go to the official WordPress website and download the latest version of the WordPress. Extract the downloaded WordPress zip file to the htdocs folder inside your XAMPP installation directory. The path should be something like c/XAMPP/htdocs. Rename the extracted WordPress folder to your desired project name. Example, my WordPress site. Step 5. Configure WordPress. Open your web browser and go to localhost / your project name. You will see the WordPress installation page. Select your language and click continue. On the next screen, WordPress will ask you to create a wp config.php file. Click on the Let's Go button. Enter the database details you set up earlier. Database name. Enter the name of the database you created in phpMyAdmin. Username. By default, the username is root. Password. Leave this field blank. Database host. Leave this as localhost. Table prefix. You can leave this as it is or change it if you want. Click the submit button, then click run the installation. Fill in the WordPress installation form with your desired website title, username, password, and email. Click Install WordPress. Step 6. Access your local WordPress site. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress locally on your PC. You can now access your local WordPress site by going to localhost / your project name. Log in with the username and password you created during the installation, and you can start customizing and building your WordPress website locally. Remember that this is a local development environment for testing and development purposes. If you want to make your website accessible to others on the internet, you will need to use a web hosting service to host your WordPress site.